In this video, I'm going to show you why it's important that you don't just have a hobby. In today's world, we need more entrepreneurs than ever before. The problem is that most people want the easy way out, which means they're not willing to put in the hard work necessary for success. But if you're someone who wants something different, then this video is for you, because I'm about to show you why your hobbies can be turned into a business. Let's begin. 1. Regardless of your income. You surely have a hobby. Do you have something you enjoy when you have free time? Hobbies are a necessary component of life. Some people work up to 40 hours a week to afford to pursue their hobbies on weekends. It's wonderful to have a passion you enjoy. But wouldn't it be even better if you could make money from it? Anyone attempting to retire at some point in their lives, in my opinion, should join me in finding something they enjoy that may also be profitable. I'm not here to tell you that you should monetize every hobby, nor am I saying that your life will be better if you do. But there are plenty of examples where monetizing a hobby or interest has worked out very well. This video assumes you have a hobby, interest you want to turn into something more. Just keep at it and see if things take off for you. If it's not working yet, then don't worry about trying to monetize it prematurely. In many cases, hobbies will break even or lose money initially. Don't let that deter you from monetizing them. Just because something loses money initially doesn't mean it's a bad idea. Many startups lose lots of money before they hit it big. You're building equity on the future value your hobby holds, not on what happens in the first month or two of monetizing it. 2. You can make use of the funds. If you're reading this, you're probably in desperate need of some cash. Even if you're making a good living and have completely stocked your investment accounts, having a second source of income can only help you go closer to financial independence. Even though I rarely buy anything, I've always enjoyed window shopping and browsing through stores. Discovering new things piques my attention and gives me the feeling of being on a treasure hunt. By adjusting where I window shop and buy items, I discovered how to make money from my hobby. I look for discounts at yard sales and thrift stores, then sell them on eBay. It's a great reason to get out of the house because I work from home for my main profession, and it's becoming rather profitable. This year, flipping goods earned me a couple extra thousand. And if I keep doing it for the rest of my life, it will add hundreds of thousands of dollars to my portfolio if I invest the money. 3. Because you appreciate what you're doing, you'll stay motivated. The difference between monetizing a hobby and building something from scratch to make extra money is that you're more likely to stick with it if you enjoy it. Everyone wishes for a quick way to get rich, but none exists. You'll have a better chance of success if you can make money from a passion because it's something you do even if you weren't making money. The make it from scratch strategy may appeal to some people who appreciate making money to make money. The essential thing is to enjoy yourself while doing it. It's likely that simply executing the activity to earn more money is difficult. Instead, you may need to be resourceful and accomplish something related to your passion. You may enjoy playing the guitar, but you will not be able to make any money while doing so. You may, however, make money by teaching others to play, and you might even love it. You'd still be allowed to play, but you'd also be sharing your knowledge and supporting someone else in attaining your level. Maybe you like fixing things and could learn to fix guitars. You may start charging folks for instrument repairs and see how much money you can make. In a variety of ways, you can transform almost any activity into a source of revenue. Allowing money to come in the way of having a good time is not a good idea. If I had started this channel solely to make money, I would have most likely given up by now. I made this channel to keep with the latest ways to make money online. I've always wanted to try my hand at creating and editing videos, and this has been an excellent segue to that. It would help if you didn't let the fact that you can't think of a way to generate money from your hobbies, or that the ways you've tried are painfully boring, detract from the enjoyment. Either switch to a different monetization mechanism or stop monetizing entirely. At the very least, you should give it a try. Individuals can be tough to persuade to pay money. Some of the tasks you must complete to make money can be tedious. I don't enjoy listing stuff on eBay or interacting with customers, but I enjoy finding new items to sell, which compensates. As a result, you may discover a simple and entertaining way to earn some extra money. Making money flipping items is effortless for me, and I wish I had taken it more seriously when I was younger. I would have avoided some of the poor jobs I had if I had tried flipping things instead of doing bad jobs when I was younger. You may be able to locate new employment. I'm not trying to urge you to quit your day job and become an entrepreneur, especially if you enjoy it. On the other hand, many people have discovered methods to generate money doing something they enjoy and have made it a full-time job. A money-making hobby is a great thing to have, especially in retirement, because it will keep you occupied and provide you with supplementary income if your retirement fund runs out. Making a few $1,000s more over time can greatly enhance your wealth, which I want to emphasize in this essay. The best part is that it's never been easier to make money while doing something you enjoy.